Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to Factfluence. Today we have got a topic that's crucial for making your videos shine. Video editing, best tools and software. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, choosing the right editing tools can make all the difference in your video production. Part number 1. Understanding video editing software. Let's start with the basic. Video editing software is a digital tool that allows you to manipulate and enhance video clips, add effects, transitions, and more to create a polished final product. There are various types of video editing software, from basic to professional grade. Part number 2. Video editing software. Now let's dive into some of the top video editing software available today. Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerhouse in the world of video editing. It is used by professionals worldwide and offers an extensive range of features for both beginners and experts. If you are a Mac user, Final Cut Pro X is an excellent choice. It's known for its user-friendly interface and high-quality editing capabilities. DaVinci Resolve is professional-grade software that offers both video editing and color correction tools. It's perfect for filmmakers and colorists. HitFilm Express is a free video editing software that's both powerful and user-friendly. It's an excellent choice for those on budget. Part number 3. Video editing tools and resources. In addition to full-fledged software, there are some handy video editing tools and resources you should know about. Explore stock footage and music libraries to enhance your videos with professional visuals and sound. Online video editors like Capwing and Clipchamp offers convenient option for quick edits without the need to download software. Part number 4. Tips for effective video editing. Now that you have the tools, let's talk about some essential video editing tips. Editing is not just about cutting and pasting, it's about telling a compelling story. Focus on pacing, transitions, and continuity. Maintain a consistency style across your videos. This helps build your brand and keeps your audience engaged. And there you have it, our guide to video editing best tools and software. From understanding the types of video editing software to exploring the top options and essential editing tips, you are now equipped to take your video editing skills to the next level. Subscribe, like, and share the bell icon to stay updated with more content creation tips and tutorials on Factfluence. Thanks for joining us today and happy editing.